Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LuvNailsNicole, and today I am going to be taking off my acrylic nails, as you can see, because I broke 3 of them on the other hand, and instead of doing a whole new set, I decided I will go ahead and take them off so I can try the Dollar Tree soak off nail caps that I showed you guys before. So here I am just cutting the nails down shorter so I will have less to soak off. It won't be so much to soak off. I'll cut them down shorter so it'll go faster. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, now I am about to use the soak off nail caps. These is the packs, if you guys didn't remember what they look like. I have some out and open already, so I'm going to use those. I'm going to use my Beauty Secrets from Sally Beauty Supply Pure Acetone on a cotton round. I'm going to soak the cotton round, like almost drench it in the remover, wrap that around my nail, and stick the nail polish remover cap on top. I only needed 4 on this hand because I was able to get the thumb off without a problem. It was hanging on by a string. So I'm going to put them on the rest of my nails. I'm going to let these sit and soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I decided while I wait on those to soak on my right hand, the one that only has 2 nails left, I'm going to use my flame drill bit to kind of reduce some of the acrylic. My thumbnail is really thick, and I know that's going to take a long time to probably soak off, so I just want to take down some of the product off of it, and then I am going to soak that off. So here I'm just taking some of the product off, taking the polish off, and just getting some of that acrylic off of there. Okay, I got it down quite a bit, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the nail cap on and let that one soak. Okay, it's been 15 minutes since these ones have been soaking, so let's take them off and see how they look. Here I'm just helping some of the scrape off some of the acrylic. As you can see, it was soft and ready to go. I just had to pop it off, so that was pretty good in the 15 minutes that it set. So I'm going to do the rest of the nails like that also. This one wasn't fully ready. It needed to soak a little bit more, so I just took off some of the excess, and I'm going to put the soak off cap back on that one for a few minutes. Oh my God, that one turned into a troll. What in the heck? That was so funny. It looked just like a troll to me. So I'm just wiping that excess cotton off of there. I was really surprised at how quickly it soaked off the acrylic. I was really expecting it to take about 35 to 45 minutes. So 15-20 minutes, they were ready to go. So I thought that was pretty good. This one needed a little bit of the product cooking down, so I went ahead and grabbed my flame drill bit again, and I'm going over it a bit because it was kind of thick. Then ta-da, it was ready to come off. Yay! The thumb that I used the flame bit on needed some more polish remover on it, so I just added a little more to it. Now I'm taking off the other cap that I had put back on for a few minutes to let it soak. So I'm taking that one off. There it goes. And on to the next one. So I got all the gooky acrylic off. Now I want to go over my nails with the fine sanding bit. I'm going to put this on my e-file, and I'm going to go across them just to get off any acrylic that may be left on it, the cotton swab, you know, little stuff on it, and to take down, sometimes when you take the acrylics off, like, gosh, I don't know how to explain it, but some of the nail, like, some of your nail kind of lifts up or tears off. So I just kind of want to smooth them out, get that off of there, any excess nail polish that may be still stuck on it, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to sand them down a bit with the fine sanding bit. Now I'm just using my regular file just to file my nails a little bit. They were kind of looking like roller coasters. So I'm just kind of evening them out a little bit. Using my buffer to buff across to buff across all of my nails, just to get them nice and smooth again. I'm also going to use the soft side to kind of get a little shine to them after I buff across them. All right, now that that's done, I want to use my cuticle softener and remover to go ahead and push back any cuticles that I have since wearing my acrylic nails. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. I rub it in very, very lightly. I don't rub it in hard because I let it sit a little bit and then I start to remove the cuticle. The cuticle push back tool I'm using, I got from Sally Beauty Supply for maybe about $2, and it's my new favorite tool. I really like it. But I don't like the feeling of rubbing that metal across my nail like that, which is why I have that brown one over there that I picked up also in the beginning. So I'm also going to use my cuticle bit on my e-file when I get done here. So right now I'm just pushing them back, you know, that how they grow up. So I'm pushing it all down, and then I'm going to use the sharp side to remove any access that I pushed back. Yep, so here I go using the cuticle bit on my e-file to get off the rest of the cuticle that I did not get off, that I kind of missed. I have some trouble areas where the cuticle is kind of really thick, and I just rather do it this way. It's a little bit quicker to just go ahead and remove it. This middle finger of mine, my cuticles grow really bad on this nail. I don't know why, but it's like my trouble nail, so it was really bad on this nail. So I had to go over it a few times. Here, I'm trying to show you guys that my nail is split, and it's like split at the bottom. So if I pull it off, it's still stuck to my skin at the top. So I'm just going to use some glue to glue it down so it won't break, because it's going to really hurt if that rips off. So I'm just using a little dot of glue to put on that little split that's in the middle of my nail. And I'm just using my other cuticle pusher just to hold it down in place while it dries so it will stay. Next, now that I'm all done with everything else, I am going to put on my OPI Natural Nail Strengthener. My nails, when they grow thin, so they break really easily. So I like to use this to just kind of strengthen them, to make them a little stronger. So I put just one coat on all of the nails. This is one of my faves too, by the way. I have like 3 bottles of it. It works really good. So if you guys come across it at the store, make sure you pick it up. It is a good natural nail strengthener. Okay, so I let the OPI Natural Nail Strengthener dry. Now I'm going to do a coat of my Sally Hansen Hard as Nails, because like I said, my nails are really thin. When they grow, they just bend and break super easily. So I'm just trying to double protect it. So I want to go over that natural nail top coat or nail strengthener with the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails also. And this I picked up from Family Dollar, I believe, for $2. Alright, so now I'm just going to let them dry, and I'm going to add my Scratches Sweeten hand moisturizer to my hands so they won't be dry. Get them nice and moisturized. And I love this moisturizer, Scratch Sweden US. You can find them on Instagram, and you can probably Google it to see the stuff that they have on their site. But it smells good. It feels really good. I love their moisturizer. Alright, so next I'm using my Orally Color Care Argan Cuticle Oil. This stuff is really good. I'm just going to slap it on all around my cuticles. At the tip there of my nails, the skin around the top gets really dry. So I make sure I add some extra to that. And I also like to go behind my nails with the cuticle oils too, to strengthen them up, since I said like they're really thin. So I go behind them to strengthen them with the brush, and I also go behind them when I am rubbing in the cuticle oil, like you can see here, going behind it. Alright, I'm all done. Now my nails feel so nice and refreshed. Oh, I love the feeling of that. So yay, done. Hope you guys liked it. So yeah, once again, I used my Soak Off Nail Cap Sassy and Sassy Chick that I got from Dollar Tree. $1 for 5 caps. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and see y'all later.